There are three pictures, right?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss. Yes,
Okay,
miss.
here two rectangles have been added and one circle has been added. And in the star picture, two rectangles again have been added.
Yes. Yes, miss.
And one circle also added. So in every picture, two rectangles are being added and one circle is being added. Then what can be the next picture?
What, miss?
What can be next pictures? In the next picture, how many rectangles can be there and how many circles can be there?
Miss, 8. 8 rectangle and 4 circle.
Okay, can you draw the picture?
Yes. In the screen?
Okay, please everyone draw the pictures of the patterns. Okay.
On the notebook?
Hmm?
Okay.
Wow.
So
Yes, on your notebook. Yes.
oh, on my notebook.
Oh, Sian is drawing on the screen. No, not on the screen. Draw on your notebook. Then everyone wants to draw on the screen.
Miss, how do we write?
You have to draw here. The next picture you have to draw. You have to draw all the patterns here. You do not need to write anything. We will just draw today.